So guys, today's the day that I'm supposedly getting my new car, but there's been a minor mess up at Volkswagen, so there's a chance that I'll be driving around in a 1.6 TDI until Monday, which is a bit unfortunate because I wanted to video the car, you know, coming out the showroom and all that. But we're gonna get rid of the Merc, so it's bye to that, I'm afraid. So we're gonna go and pick Alex up now. He's gonna follow us in the Golf R, and we'll head over to Volkswagen, and fingers crossed I do get this car and say goodbye to the good old Merc that I've had for 2.5 years and racked up nearly 40,000 miles on. Let's go and pick Alex up, grab a coffee, and let's go. Yeah.
Hi mate.
Hi mate, sorry about that. I lost signal again because where I live it's shite.
Out of the mud.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get some diesel, mate, because the needle could not be any more south.
Right, no, it's just put like the minimum delivery, like £2 in it or something. £2 in it, £2 in it or something.
No, I won't get on the motorway with that, will I?
Yeah, of course.
I doubt I'm getting this car today, mate. So then Alex, just please tell everyone what I've just had a phone call saying.
So basically, Volkswagen have done the exact same as they did with my car and f***ed up on some paperwork. So yeah, and just to let you know as well, in total car review fashion, it's absolutely pissing down.
But yeah, I'm not happy. I'm getting a 1.6 TDI instead of a 2-litre turbo, 220 horsepower beast.
So if anyone wants to see two lunatics rag the nuts off a 1.6, what is it, Golf?
Golf, yeah.
We're going to absolutely obliterate this car, so yeah, it might turn out pretty good then. Stay safe, be seeing you. Yeah. So guys, I'm just about to show you Tom's new whip. I don't think he's laughing as much as me.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me.
They see me rolling.
Because Volkswagen have cocked up, I've now got a loan car, which is a 5-speed manual 1.6 diesel, and I'm giving them that. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. So I bought a DSG car, but somehow I've been given this. What do you do with this? Oh, 5-speed as well, mate. What you doing, bro? 5-speed. I'm fuming, Alex. Right, let's go. Let's go get some proper shots of this.
He's loving it. He's loving it. Put your window down.
Getting piss wet through here.
So your channel name's called Total Car Reviews, so we actually need a review of this car. So in one word, can you summarise this new whip?
Shit. So this is what they've decided to give me instead of the GTI, which it's all right, but it's a 1.6 diesel and not a GTI, and it's sat very high off the ground. But tomorrow is the day that goes back, and then the GTI comes. Got diamond cuts or nah, mate? It's alright, to be fair. It's just white. It looks like a van. Inside the vehicle, you're greeted with a flat bottom steering wheel. You've got a touch screen and it's activated when you bring your finger close to the screen. Oh, and it senses. I didn't actually touch, for those that were wondering. Watch the screen change. Oh, and then it activates like that. You can go into different driving modes in this vehicle when the engine is on, for instance. Let's turn it on, wait for the rumble. Oh, different drivers you can select as well. Let's turn those off because we won't want wind. But you can go into different modes of the car. So you've got Eco, which we never drive in. Normal, which again we never drive in. Sport, which it's been in since I've had the car. It's done 400 miles from new. I've probably contributed 100 of those miles. And we have the radio with DAB radio, media. Funnily enough, if you go on navigation, oh! A brand new car has got a navigation button, and then it tells you that by basically saying, haha, you can't afford that. So very nice. One thing that is a major letdown with this car is the fact that it's only 5 speeds. Who makes a 2018 car 5 speed? That is just not right. That is not right. It is pretty pokey, to be fair. And as well as not having navigation, if you press this button here is voice control. Oh, again, we can't afford that option, can we? So guys, what I will say is I can't wait to get rid of this car, and I can't wait to get my GTI. It is a different day, it's not raining. So yeah, that was a quick, basically, few things that I don't like about this car. No leather, it's just a bog standard. It's a Golf 1.6 TDI SE 5-speed manual. The one thing that I've noticed with it being a 5-speed, when you're doing 70 miles per hour on the motorway, it is revving quite high for a diesel, and you are trying to think, I need the extra gear. But it does pull well at low speeds, very smooth, very quiet. However, it's not a GTI. As much as I was annoyed about getting this car instead of a GTI, I want to thank Volkswagen for, you know, not seeing me short, and at least they did put me in a car until mine's ready, and we'll explain why it was delayed when I had to get the car. But I'll check back in with you tomorrow when I will be at work, coming back from a meeting, dropping this car off and taking delivery of my gorgeous Volkswagen Golf GTI. Thanks guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
And here we are guys, just dropping off the 1.6 TDI on my dinner hour, and fingers crossed I'll be walking away in my nice shiny red GTI. I wonder where the A-Class has been parked. I bet it's in the showroom. And we're in. There's 67 and that'll do. Handbrake on, and let's go and grab it. Guys, we're in the GTI. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go back to work because I've been way longer than I should have been, but straight after work we'll be reviewing this car and I'll be showing you what I've actually bought. But for now, I'm gonna overtake this guy and we're gonna put the foot to the floor. Just listen to that. Oh.
What's the first thing you do when you buy a new car, mate?
Get the swirls out.
De-swirl. Time for a double detail de-swirl. Is it a time for a double detail de-swirl?
Double detail on there.
So we've got a Toonie and we've got a Shoz lad over there. So let's get these whips washed. So how long have you had this car, mate?
Not even a week.
Not even a week. And I've been driving it without washing it, and the first thing we're going to do is get rid of all the swirl mark. And yeah, we're going to try and make it look a bit more saucy, and then I'll show you it properly. What are you doing now, mate?
Got to make your exhaust tips nice and shiny like
because
them. See them there? That's them.
Ooh,
Look at them bad boys.
look at them. So basically Alex is touching my pipe, which he's used to. But yeah, they get sooted up because of the good old DSG burp, is it?
Oh, the old fault.
So Alex is going to kindly polish them. And that's it before. Dirty, clean.
We're gonna try and get rid of that scratch, aren't we, mate?
Yep.
So the paint's looking very dull, and then look at the shine. What are you doing, Alex?
Bit of a wax on, wax off, mate. If anyone knows about that stuff.
What do they
good.
know about it? That was a bit of a, not a dramatic ending. You could have said better than that.
I don't really know. I don't know.
All
It's
right.
alright.
All
It's
right.
alright.
All
It's
right.
alright. Give it a twerk, Tom. Tom?
Yeah?
Missed a bit, mate.
There's always one that says that, isn't there? Get a life, pal.
You can do mine next.
No, you can get lost a little bit.
Yes, love, baby. Let's get it.
Honeymoon period has officially begun.
So I apologise if the motorway noise is absolutely ridiculous, which it probably is right now, but soon there will be a video on these two cars. Now obviously mine is the Golf GTI, which I've just bought, and phenomenal car. However, that thing is an absolute beast of a machine. So me and Alex have just come for a quick drive. We'll have a quick look around the car, and we're going to go downstairs in the car park and go for some nice pops and bangs. And if you have noticed, there is a Mark 7.5 Golf R with me as well. This is this chap's, if you all didn't know, and we will be doing a like for like comparison on these cars soon, so hit the thumbs up if you want to see that. Right now let's have a look around the GTI, which is my new daily. Right guys, thanks for watching. Obviously this is a new car, it's a new daily. There will be more videos and it won't be staying standard. I hope you like it. There will be an in-depth review with my car and Alex's Golf R in the next one. But for now, stay safe, stay sound, and I'll be seeing you.